Hello, in this video I will show you how to change the button order in the Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus. Okay, so the first step of the operation would be going to the settings, and here in the settings find the display section, and now we have to find the navigation bar tab, and when you have the swipe gestures on, just switch it to buttons if you want to use them and press more options. And now we can as you can see, swap the order of these buttons according to our preference. So we're done for the video. If you considered it helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.